एक बार ताली बजाकर इसमें स्वागत करें तो बहुत अच्छा होगा, प्लीज। मेरे को एक बहुत अच्छी चीज और इसमें ये देखने को मिली कि मेरे काफी इसमें जो परिचित हैं वो भी जुड़े हुए हैं शिक्षक। मैं एक एक का नाम तो इसमें नहीं ले सकता क्योंकि बहुत लंबी लिस्ट हो जाएगी, लेकिन उसके बावजूद जैसे प्रोफेसर अग्रवाल हैं, प्रोफेसर अग्रवाल लगातार संपर्क में रहते थे। वो कंचन मैडम हो या मुझसे या बाकी टीम से भी फीडबैक लेते रहते थे, क्योंकि अभी हाल में ही उन्होंने अपना कंप्यूटर डिपार्टमेंट का भी संपन्न किया है, लेकिन उसके बावजूद उनको ये इसका मैनेजमेंट का भी रुचि थी और उसमें भी लगातार वो फीडबैक देते रहते थे। कहीं कुछ कमी हो कुछ हो तो वो उसको बराबर फॉलो अप करते रहते थे। हमारे विश्वविद्यालय के लिए मैं एक बात और कहना चाहूंगा, हमारे विश्वविद्यालय की टीम भी इतनी परफेक्ट है कि सभी विभागों में और बाकी डिपार्टमेंट्स के मतलब बाकी भी यूनिवर्सिटीज के और कॉलेजेस के लोगों को मैं बताना चाहूंगा, हमारे विश्वविद्यालय में 8 डिपार्टमेंट्स हैं, जिनमें कई लोग तो इससे परिचित भी हैं। डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मीडिया रिसर्च हो या डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ कंप्यूटर साइंसेज हो या डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ एडवर्टाइजिंग पब्लिक रिलेशंस हो या डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मास कम्युनिकेशन हो, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ जर्नलिज्म हो, डिपार्टमेंट
हेलो सर, यू आर नॉट ऑडिबल सर।
सर आपका माइक म्यूट हो गया है।
नाउ इट इज ओके।
यस सर।
राइट, थैंक यू। तो इस सब के उसमें मुझे लगता है कि एक बहुत अच्छा अचीवमेंट, मैं बार बार आपको लोगों को जो हमारी यूनिवर्सिटी से नहीं है बाहर की यूनिवर्सिटी से हैं वो बार बार ये भी सोच सकते हैं कि अपनी पीठ खुद ही थपथपा रहे हैं, लेकिन ऐसा नहीं है। मैंने और भी कई FDPs अटेंड किए हैं और भी कई प्रोग्राम्स अटेंड किए हैं, लेकिन इस तरीके के सक्सेसफुल प्रोग्राम्स मुझे शायद याद नहीं आते कि इस तरीके से जब हम इस कोरोना पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में बहुत सारी विपरीत परिस्थितियों से घिरे हुए हैं, उन विपरीत परिस्थितियों के बावजूद हम इतनी बढ़िया तरीके से कोई चीज ऑर्गेनाइज कर पा रहे हैं, तो ये वाकई टीम को इसकी सफलता का श्रेय जाता है और जाना भी चाहिए। मुझे अच्छे से याद है कि जब ये चालू होने वाला था तो मैं एक चीज और अपने प्रतिभागियों से कहना चाहूंगा कि मैं बहुत ज्यादा इसमें विषय की बात नहीं कर रहा हूं, क्योंकि वो आपने 5 दिन लगातार सुना है, तो मुझे लगता है कि इसमें एक सामान्य बात होना चाहिए और हमें जिन लोगों का इसमें पार्टिसिपेशन रहा है और जिन लोगों ने इसको ऑर्गेनाइज किया है उन्हें अप्रिशिएट करना चाहिए। मुझे अच्छे से याद है कि जब ये FDP चालू होने वाला था पिछले मंडे से, तो हमारे विभाग के सभी सदस्य बहुत ज्यादा उत्सुक थे और बहुत ज्यादा क्रियाशील भी थे। लगातार मतलब उस दिन 10:30 से चालू होना था, लेकिन पूरी टीम आके 8 बजे से लग गई और टेस्टिंग हो गई और सबने बकायदा अपने अपने लैपटॉप्स को उस तरीके से एक्टिवेट कर लिया, सिस्टम्स पे एक्टिवेट कर लिया। साथ में मैं मैनेजमेंट के, चूंकि हम लोग सब स्कॉलर्स हैं और मैनेजमेंट के टीचर्स हैं, तो मैं एक कंचन मैडम और उनकी टीम को इसलिए भी बधाई देना चाहूंगा कि उन्होंने पूरा बैकअप प्लान रखा कि अगर ये नहीं होगा तो क्या करना है, अगर ये सिस्टम नहीं चालू होगा तो क्या करना है, अगर इंटरनेट कनेक्टिविटी नहीं आती है तो हमारे पास बैकअप प्लान क्या होगा। तो मुझे लगता है कि इसलिए हम लोग सभी इस चीज को बहुत अप्रिशिएट करते हैं और ये FDP की सफलता का द्योतक है कि अभी भी हमारे पास लगभग 127 लोग इसमें जुड़े हुए हैं। मैं इतनी बात कह के अपनी बात को विराम देता हूं और आगे की कार्रवाई के लिए डॉक्टर मनीषा वर्मा जी को आमंत्रित करता हूं। थैंक यू वेरी मच।
सर थैंक यू सो मच सर, आपके इन शब्दों से डेफिनेटली हमारी ऊर्जा और भी बढ़ी है और हम भविष्य में भी पूरी कोशिश करेंगे कि इस तरह के प्रोग्राम हम और भी ऑर्गेनाइज करें। थैंक यू सो मच सर फॉर योर ब्लेसिंग्स। Now, I would like to invite our Honorable VC sir, but before inviting to sir, I would like to introduce sir, Honorable VC sir, Professor KG Suresh has served as a Director General of Indian Institute of Mass Communication. Sir has also served as Dean, School of Modern Media, University of Petroleum and Energy Studies, Dehradun. Sir has also served Senior Consulting Editor in DD News, Editorial Advisor in Asianet New Network, and Chief Political Correspondent in Press Trust of India. Sir has received his education from Delhi University, Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan, and Guru Jamshedpur University of Science and Technology, Hisar. Sir is a member of various committees such as Academic Council of Jawaharlal Nehru University, Society of Satyajit Ray Film and Television Institute, Kolkata, Research Committee of Indian Council of Social Science Research, a member of Advisory Council of Delhi School of Journalism, Delhi University, Academic Council of Central University, Himachal Pradesh, member of School Board of Arinobat Tagore University of Creative Art and Communication Study, Assam University. Sir is a member of Award Selection Committee of National Council for Science and Technology Communication, Department of Science and Technology. We are feeling very proud to say Sir has been selected for prestigious Ganesh Shankar Vidyarthi Samman for outstanding contribution in the field of journalism for this year. And he will be, this award will be presented by the President of India. By this word, I would like to welcome you, sir. Over to you, sir.
Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Manisha. Thank you so much. Professor C.P. Agarwal, Director of the FDP. Dr. Avinash Bajpai, Registrar and Head of the Management. Professor Kanchan Bhatia. And of course, Manisha. Very delighted to be. This is the first FDP I would be addressing. I'm sorry. I am an oven fresh, just taken over 2 days back. So I'm having back-to-back meetings. So actually could not really prepare for this, address to the distinguished, audience who are present here. But I have basically come here because I thought that since an FDP is taking place after I have taken over, I thought that I should just come and say hello to all of you. That was the whole idea. I'm really seeing a lot of messages and I'm really delighted to know that a lot of you have benefited, but I also see a couple of grievances. We need to take care of that, particularly with regard to language. I believe that some people have raised some. I've seen that feedback. So I'm sure Professor Agarwal will take care of that in future, if there are issues, because our FDP should benefit one and all. I'm really delighted to know that about 240 people have registered from all over India, Bangalore, Pune, Chennai, Telangana, Delhi, Chandigarh. And it's a very relevant topic, particularly in these times when we are passing through perhaps the most critical phase in human history, when the entire, if you look at it, I'm reminded of that famous phrase, strategic inflection point. The Intel founder had very famously talked about it. So we are at the strategic inflection point in every organization's, in education also, there is a huge, massive change that's taking place. You have online education, blended form of education, and it is now perform or perish. We are reminded of the Darwinian theory of fight for survival, struggle for survival and survival of the fittest.
Yes.
And in this situation, organizational behavior is really going to be like any other discipline. This is something that's going to see, because now we are talking about working from home for a long time. We are going to, talk about, stay at home, work from home. Because of the economic slowdown, there are salary cuts. There are a lot of other aspects which are impacting our lives. in that scenario, how as organizations we are going to respond to the situations, how we are going to respond as individuals. I think that these are very important aspects which need to be really pondered over. And I'm really glad that our university took the initiative to organize this. And the biggest, I think, the gainer, if you ask me, for this entire thing has been, uh, you know, we as faculty, we have gained a lot during this lockdown, uh, in terms of the webinars, in terms of continuing education programs that we have all been attending and addressing. I mean, I have addressed about 200 webinars in the last 6 months. You know, and that shows that how much we have utilized this time to enhance our skills, expand the horizons of our knowledge. I'm sure that every faculty member has over a dozen certificates in his kitty, in his or her kitty. With this, perhaps we would not have gone for these many programs had we been on a routine, on a regular kind of a leading a regular life. But the corona has also been that way, the positive side. I often say that everything else has to be positive except being corona positive. So I believe that such programs should be regularly conducted for upgrading the faculty skills. And this my special thanks to AICT for sponsoring this. And they have organized over 400 such programs. My compliments. And I look forward to active participation. This is a passive participation. I could not attend any of the sessions. I would consider not just that I will come for formality's sake, and I would really look forward to sessions in which I could attend. I could also learn, because now I am heading an organization where which is facing a lot of challenges, and I would also like to be enlightened, with all the faculty members who are present here, with all the resource persons who had come here. Certainly, compliments to the team, each one of you, and the organizers, the team who have, so wonderfully done it. And we are getting this good feedback, positive feedback. But those who have expressed some concerns, I'm sure that your team will take care of that. Congratulations once again, Professor Agarwal, and Professor Kanchan, and Manisha, and of course, our registrar, Dr. Bajpai, for organizing this. And thank you, faculty from all over the country who have joined this. And of course, I see other members of our management team also here. Compliments to you. Thank you, and wish you all the best. Thank you so much.
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, sir. Your words means a lot. Thank you for sharing your valuable thought with us. Before ending this session, we organizing committee would like to invite the participant faculty member for their valuable feedback. Due to shortage of time, we can only take the feedback of any two member of the participants faculty member. Any two, one of.
Can I speak now, please? Can I speak now?
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Mandeep, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you so much for this opportunity. First of all, a very happy evening to Honorable Vice Chancellor Sir, the Registrar Sir, Director AICT, Kanchan ma'am, Manisha ma'am, and all my fellow participants, as well as all those persons who have been working behind this curtain to make this program a success. There are some moments in your life when words simply fail you. So I think this is one of such moments. And I know that it is very, very difficult to organize, such a program and on such a scale, because it takes a lot of effort and a lot of energy. So my gratitude and heartiest congratulations to all the members. And also I would like to thank all my fellow participants also, because, their perspectives also, they have made this a very enriching learning experience. During this past 5 days, so we have covered so many aspects of human. behavior, right? Social intelligence, conflict handling strategies, negotiations, and the list goes on and on. So like, Kanchan ma'am rightly said, almost all those things which we encounter daily at our workplace or maybe even, personally. Uh, and uh, and uh, um, and I think, I would like to add that, this has not only been a very enriching, experience personally, but I know that it will also help me, reach my potential to the fullest professionally, as well as I think if I apply even, some of the techniques. So it is really going to help me discover the potential of others. And the other highlight of this, faculty was that though being a virtual medium, and virtual medium, has its opportunities, but then it has got a lot many limitations also. But then all the sessions, they were so, interactive, they were so involving, they were so that is engaging. So that could overcome the limitations of the virtual platform itself. And I believe that if I'm able to apply even some of the key takeaways, of these, and if I'm able to use it, so as to change the negative perception, of the HR and OB field, because as sir rightly said, there's a very negative perception of, our field. So I think as academicians, it is our, responsibility to help, change that perception. वो जैसे कहते हैं ना कि कौन कहता है कि आसमां में सुराग नहीं हो सकते, कौन कहता है कि आसमां में सुराग नहीं हो सकते, एक पत्थर तो तबीयत से उछाल कर देखिए जनाब. So with that note, my congratulations and very much thank you to the team, and I am looking forward to many more such, organizations from your side, and wishing all a very happy and a safe life. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Professor Mandeep Gill, for your positive sides of the program. And we will definitely try to organize such type of FDP. अगर भविष्य में आप लोगों का पार्टिसिपेंट्स का इसी तरह साथ रहा तो हम और भी इस टाइप की प्रोग्राम्स जरूर लाएंगे आपके लिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर शेयरिंग योर थॉट्स. Anyone else wants to share their feedback with us?
Ma'am, good evening.
Yeah, please.
This is Rajeshwari from Palakkad, that is Kerala.
Yeah, please, ma'am.
It was very good for all the 5 days. The team is well organized, and I personally thank the entire organizing team, the university, Makkanland University and IICT, and the leaders of the team also. And it was well structured and well organized. To specifically say that the organizational behavior, since I am from the management field, the organization behavior I have studied, and I was teaching that for past 13 years. But still, I could learn a lot of new things, like all the speakers, one after the other, they were talking from very practical application point of view. So those activities and those tips really will help me out a lot, so that I can share it with my students also for their own development as well as my own career. So thanks a lot, and all the best for your future such programs. Thank you, Kanchan ma'am, and thank you all the team, and thank you the registrar and the vice chancellor and the other heads. Thanks a lot. And thank you all the fellow participants also. It was very interactive session, enjoyed. Though we could not meet each other, though virtual platform, it was good. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you, Professor Rajeshwari ji. Now I would like to invite Professor Head CP Agarwal sir. He is the AICT director, and he is heading the computer department to deliver the vote of thanks. Professor Agarwal, over to you.
Namaskar. At least my namaskar can be in Hindi, because that has no language. A great vote of thanks to very own, fresh, respected Vice Chancellor Sir, Professor K.G. Suresh ji, who is so much bubbling with enthusiasm and joy and motivation for us all. He has definitely given us a rising age for the university to soar further heights of excellence, academics, and social contribution. Thank you, sir. Thank you very much. This is the first opportunity to address you in public, and I take the privilege to thank you on behalf of all the faculty members of the university. Next, vote of thanks goes to all the 240 participants. Professor Vajpayee said that there were 240 registrations, but I want to share that there were many more in the waiting list which we could not accommodate due to the constraints, the limitations given by AICTE to us. But definitely in the next program, AICTE has removed that restriction and made it 1,000. So for the next program, definitely we will be able to accommodate more. Of course, the Department of Management is doing excellent job in the university under the leadership of the head of department, Professor Vajpayee. His able guidance. I would like to share with you, any student of this university, may he be from any department, if you ask him who is your guardian in this university, he would definitely call the name of Professor Avinash Vajpayee. 24/7, he is available for all students. Now he is in a position of registrar, hearing and solving grievances of the teaching, non-teaching community. There also you would always find him all the time smiling. So that is the personality which is blessing this department for excellence, for higher heights. This FDP was organized as a coordinator by Dr. Kanchan Bhatia, who has really done an excellent job. My congrats to her, my thanks to her. And it's very obvious from the flooded comments of thanks and congratulations. Over 100 of you have right now offered hats off congratulations to the team, which can definitely be given to Dr. Kanchan Bhatia and her entire team. I am fortunate that I am director and she is working in my team as such. Thank you very much. Now, besides the vote of thanks, I would like all of you to be associated with us in future as well. It will be a win-win deal for you and for us and for everybody in the team to sustain, to continue with this association and this cordial bond, cordial link that we have formulated amongst ourselves. I hope everybody of you would agree with this. Yes? Definitely yes. I know you would like to communicate because these 5 days I could see some of the messages from Ms. Patil and so many Ms. Mishra, Mukta, and so many other faculty members. Thank you very much. And let me tell you that it is going to be definitely a win-win deal. I am a faculty of computer science, but over the years, I have learned a lot of organizational behavior. And to share with you one fact, that the plan B in this workshop was to communicate with you on one of those topics by me, by Professor Vajpayee, and by Dr. Kanchan herself. All the three of us were in the waiting list of the presenters, but the galaxy was so wonderful and we wanted to invite the national and international experts. Of course, we are not below them, even though we don't want to do any extra words, but definitely we stand with those. Incidentally, reason is I have been a chairperson of the committee nominated by All India Council of Technical Education to recommend the norms and standards for personality development programs being sponsored by AICTE. That is enough to tell you that AICTE respects us. Dr. Vajpayee, we are all respected. We have several awards to our credit. We have several social contributions, communication. My university, our university is a communication university. Over the last 3 decades, we all senior people have become definitely experts. If not experts, at least to the level that you would have definitely added one more word to the feedback that yes, sir, you were also good. Thank you. Imagining that comment from you, I can definitely express my thanks to you. Organizational behavior FDP, it more looked like the art of blissful, successful living program. Isn't that true? It was not only limited to the theoretical organizational behavior. Some of you have mentioned in your feedback, one lady who gave the verbal feedback as well, she also said that she has been teaching it for so many years. But then she also found something new. What was that new? The vibe of life. The vibration of having this art of successful living. Not only management experts, there were most of the participants were from allied disciplines. And they all alike said that yes, it was a program for better learning of the art of blissful, successful, joyful living for all these 5 days. And here is a good news. Of course, you are already aware of it, but I am enjoying to share that all these are already on YouTube, and you have been already served with the links, and maybe you must have gone through that. Please promote it with free hands. At least that charity where you need not spend a pie from your pocket, you must be the first to do it. I believe in this principle. Of course, having done the charity by spending a little bit, what you can afford from your pocket is still more enjoyable. Try, and you would, maybe most of you must be trying it. So it's a request, it's an advice to forward this to your near and dear friends, family, so that the knowledge expands and we all are benefited from this jnana, from this knowledge. One more point I would like to highlight. This university being a national communication university, journalism and communication university, we are having this MBA program which is dedicated to media management. When we first took this proposal to AICTE, I was the director at that time also. When this proposal was taken to AICTE, we were wondering if AICTE approves this or not, but to our greatest pleasure and surprise and joy, AICTE not only approved, but appreciated us in writing that it is a wonderful idea that you are bringing 4 different core areas, disciplines for media management specialization. And this, I got my first-hand experience when last year or even the previous year, I was in USA on an academic delegation, which was led by AICTE. As a member, I was a part of that delegation, and the objective was to develop academic collaborations with different universities on the East Coast of America. We were fortunate to have visited 13 even universities, and one of them, the Metropolitan College of New York, they volunteered themselves that this media management program MBA is a wonderful program, and we propose you to run it in a joint collaboration with Makhanlal University. Hats off to the team which built that program, the curriculum, the content. Of course, I'm not selling that because I know most of you are already MBAs and all, but just an idea sharing so that you can also extend offer some core options in your MBA programs in your respective universities. Because this MYC, Metropolitan College of New York, is still open for that collaboration. We had some limitations for the administrative glitches, which are now expected to be removed by the promise and the vision of Honorable Vice Chancellor, Professor, who has just now talked to you, Suresh sir. And we are likely to cope up with those limitations and have this MOU signed very soon for a collaborative PG degree program with this university in New York. That's it. Amazing. You are feeling delighted and happy and having rewarded with something. So are we all. This university, Makhanlal University, is feeling more profit earned because we have earned the goodwill and the friendship of you all 240 faculty members from the entire country, from almost all the states of the country. So definitely you all deserve a big thanks, a big applaud for joining our galaxy of well-wishers, beneficiaries and contributors to the Makhanlal Chaturvedi National University of Journalism and Communication. Our Honorable Vice Chancellor has already addressed the suggestion given by Dr. Subramani about the language. I would like to tell you that we have tried, because on the very first day this feedback was received. But you know, when we give mic and control to a guest faculty who is from outside, a respected professor or a director or an internationally acclaimed expert, and we have already told them that, sir, please have almost everything in English. But even then, some of them had that slip of tongue. definitely next time I would like to assure Honorable Vice Chancellor that we would make it a point to have a thorough scrutiny of the experts before we empanel them for the presentation. I hope that will address this particular suggestion. May I request you all to generously give us all comments and feedback for him, because we understand feedback and closed loop system is the best mechanism for achieving excellence. And excellence, even the sky is not the limit. So let us all strive together to achieve, to gain, to maintain that excellence, and to have that humility to share that excellence, that height with everybody on the ground floor at the grassroots level. Then only we shall be able to fulfill the dream of having a leader of the world as a spiritual or a motivational life skills expert country. Before I return back this mic to Manisha ji, I propose we all stand in our places and have our respect for the nation with national anthem. Yes, please. Let us start. Jana Gana Mana Adinayak Jaya He Bharat Namaskar all. Thank you. Thank you.
Jai Hind.
God bless you. Jai Hind.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Agarwal sir. Manisha ma'am, just an announcement I have to make.
Sure, sure.
It is my humble request that all the participants who are in WhatsApp group, so please don't leave that group. In future also, if we have to send any message or any sort of interpersonal communication, I think that is the best medium. So after finishing FGV also, that group should exist. Thank you.
Thank you, Professor Bhatia. Thank you, all of you. Thank you so much, Agrawal sir.
Manisha ma'am, may I speak something?
Yeah, please.
Thank you for the FDP. It was very nice. But one technique I'm facing that I was unable to enroll my response for the test. Before 3:15, I tried to submit the response, but it was showing error message. Could you please help us in that? There are some faculties like me who face the same
Okay,
problem.
ma'am, our technical team will connect with you soon.
Okay, and also I'm not in the WhatsApp group.
You are not audible. Your voice is clear, ma'am.
Hello.
Manisha ma'am,
All the participants, please fill feedback form, else your certificate won't be generated. All the feedback forms will be given in your link only, okay? So after this, you fill it and submit. And then only certificate will be there.
ma'am, where is feedback link, ma'am?
In your site only, no? From email ID you have registered, there only feedback link is being generated.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. One more question, ma'am. When we can get the
There
result,
is
ma'am?
one announcement. Sorry to interrupt you. There is one announcement. You can get your feedback link from your registration on AICT portal.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
There
Ma'am, can I intervene? Ma'am, I too have tried for that AICT website now, but unfortunately that website is not accessible. and we are not being able to log in. So is there be a timeline within which we need to submit the feedback form?
Yeah, today only you have.
Yeah, today.
Ma'am, link is not workable. Dr. Bhati, I do have dropped a mail to you regarding this. I tried many
Actually,
times during afternoon.
you try in the evening. I think there is some technical problem, but
And ma'am-
today only you have to submit the feedback. Huh?
Okay, ma'am, but unfortunately, if that is not workable, then
Then it is very difficult because these all are the guidelines from AICTE. only, sir, you know, we can't manage it.
ma'am, even the AICT website is not accessible today. It is not opening.
You just drop mail there, sir.
Okay. Right, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much,
It
ma'am.
is working, sir. You can see in the chat box. No, other are saying you can log in again.
Feedback is already submitted by the other participants.
Okay. Ma'am, I tried a lot. I'll try one more time.
Yeah, please.
Thank you.
So it was a great interaction with all of you. Thank you very much for your actively participation. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, all the participants. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.